you're deep in the crypto rabbit hole. You've bought your first Bitcoin, maybe even dabbled in some Ethereum. Now, the question burning in your mind, where do you store this digital gold? The options are vast and confusing: exchanges, hardware wallets, software wallets, and then there's Kraken. Kraken bills itself as more than just an exchange, it's an all-in-one platform. But is it truly the best crypto wallet for you? Let's dive in. What is a crypto wallet? Before we even get to Kraken, let's clarify what a crypto wallet actually is. Think of it like a digital bank account, but instead of holding your fiat currency, dollars, euros, etc., it holds your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others. Key types of crypto wallets. Hot wallets, these are connected to the internet. Examples include exchange wallets, like your wallet on Binance or Coinbase. Convenient for trading, but your funds are held by the exchange. Software wallets, downloaded to your computer or phone. More control than exchange wallets, but still connected to the internet. Cold wallets, these are not connected to the internet, making them much more secure. Examples include hardware wallets, physical devices like Ledger or Trezor. Considered the most secure option. Paper wallets, your private keys are printed on a piece of paper. Kraken, more than just an exchange. Kraken started life as a cryptocurrency exchange, known for its robust trading features, high liquidity, and advanced order types. However, Kraken has evolved. They now offer a suite of products, including Kraken Exchange, for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Kraken Invest, a platform for staking cryptocurrencies and earning passive income. Kraken Pro, a professional-grade trading platform with advanced charting tools and order types. Kraken OTC, for high-volume traders to execute large orders off exchange. And yes, a Kraken Wallet. Kraken Wallet, a closer look. The Kraken Wallet is a hot wallet available as a mobile app and a web-based interface. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers some interesting features. Staking, earn rewards by staking supported cryptocurrencies. Easy onboarding, relatively simple to set up and use, even for beginners. Security features, two-factor authentication, 2FA, is highly recommended for added security. Integration with Kraken Exchange, seamlessly transfer funds between your wallet and the exchange. Pros of using the Kraken Wallet. Convenience, easy to use and access, especially if you're already a Kraken Exchange user. Staking rewards, earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Wide cryptocurrency support, supports a large number of cryptocurrencies. Good user interface, the mobile app and web interface are generally user-friendly. Cons of using the Kraken Wallet. Security risks, as a hot wallet, it's inherently less secure than cold storage options like hardware wallets. Not as secure as cold storage, there's always a risk of hacks or phishing attacks. Limited control, you don't have full control over your private keys, which are held by Kraken. Is Kraken the best crypto wallet for you? The answer depends entirely on your individual needs and risk tolerance. For beginners, the Kraken Wallet can be a good starting point due to its ease of use and integration with the Kraken Exchange. For traders, if you're actively trading cryptocurrencies, the Kraken Wallet can be convenient for quick transfers between your wallet and the exchange. For long-term hodlers, if you're looking for maximum security for long-term crypto holdings, a cold storage solution like a hardware wallet is generally recommended. Alternatives to consider. Hardware wallets, Ledger Nano X, Trezor One. Software wallets, MetaMask, Electrum. Exchange wallets, Coinbase Wallet, Binance Wallet. Security best practices. Enable 2FA, this adds an extra layer of security to your account. Use strong passwords, choose unique and complex passwords. Be wary of phishing attempts, never click on suspicious links or provide your private keys to anyone. Keep your software updated, ensure your wallet software is always up to date with the latest security patches. The Kraken Wallet offers a convenient and user-friendly option for storing and managing your cryptocurrencies. However, it's crucial to weigh the convenience against the potential security risks associated with hot wallets. Ultimately, the best crypto wallet is the one that best suits your individual needs and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.